Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a user. First, always confirm you have the necessary administrative access before proceeding. Deleting a user account is a permanent action, so it's crucial to understand the implications. We will cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth process. Remember, once a user is deleted, their data is typically unrecoverable, so preparation is key. Before initiating the deletion, take a moment to verify that all of the user's important files have been backed up or transferred to another account. It is also wise to ensure the user is logged out of all systems to prevent any data corruption during the process. Check for any shared resources or permissions that might be affected by the account's removal. This careful preparation minimizes potential disruptions. Now, let's proceed with the actual deletion. Access your system's user management or account settings. Locate the specific user account you wish to remove from the list. Most systems will present a confirmation dialog, often with a warning about data loss. Carefully read this prompt and confirm your decision to permanently delete the user. This action cannot be undone. After deletion, it's good practice to verify that the user account no longer appears in your system's user list. You might also need to update any access control lists or group memberships that previously included the deleted user. This ensures system security and proper resource management. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Taking these final steps helps maintain a clean and secure environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.